Are you sick of only reacting to your family's health issues? Me too. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 6 degrees in my field. They're all in the natural healthcare space. We have our holistic Life Plus app below with our free course intro to natural healthcare. So if you want to learn more about natural healthcare and also access our free app, we also have dozens of courses all pertaining to holistic healthcare to teach you how to live a natural and holistic life, from mindfulness to detoxification, nutrition, you name it. We have topics and we're adding more every single week. So definitely look for that. All right. So being reactive, that what does that look like in a family system? So let's say you only talk about your immune system when somebody gets sick, or you only, address healthy eating when you feel bloated, right? These are reactive ways that we're addressing their healthcare. We're not necessarily going, you know what? I want my digestive system to feel good. So this is what we do to manage our digestive system. So we're going to drink water. We're going to eat enough protein. We're going to keep our fat low, etc. Health is a state that we build every single day. It's not something that just happens. And an absence of disease is not health, right? So we're often programmed in our society to believe that as long as we don't have a disease that we're diagnosed with or a medication that we take, that we're healthy. When in fact, many of us neglect our health and we become more reactive with our health instead of proactive. So what does it mean to be proactive with our health, with our family? So we want to see how much water should everybody be drinking in the house. Everybody should know that. Everybody should also know how many grams of protein that they should be eating every single day. They should know what a protein is. Again, if you don't know this information, we have courses on drinking water. We have courses on holistic nutrition, on nutrition for time management, all kinds of things. Like if you have difficulty with managing time and feeding yourself, there's all kinds of different tips and tricks that we have to offer. But I just want you starting to think about what it means to actually be healthy. How is your mental health, right? Are you thinking all the time? Are you worried all the time? How is your emotional health, right? So speaking of worry, how are you managing your emotions? Are you shut down with your emotions? Are you reacting to every emotion? Are you reacting to external things that happen in your environment? How does that impact your physical health and well-being? These are all questions to really ask to be more preventative and be more proactive with your health instead of reactive. So if we start to encourage these conversations when children are little, oftentimes they're going to grow up really with this preventative care mindset instead of the only time I went to the doctor is when I needed an antibiotic or something like that. Not to say that that doesn't serve a place, but if you if you've had children who have been chronically sick and you're going to the doctor over and over and over again and really getting no result, at a certain point you have to say, you know what, let's stop being reactive and let's start to be more proactive. And what does proactivity look like with health? It looks like education. So learning about your health. It's not just something that happens. You have to spend time educating yourself about how to heal your body, what to do with your body. And really, back in the day, long time ago, right, our indigenous tribe people really utilized natural things like food and herbs, and they didn't go run to the doctor because doctors weren't as available as they are today. So now in our more westernized culture, we've become far more reliant on our Western medical system and far less willing to take personal responsibility with their health. So we're really looking to change that paradigm, change that mindset, and move into a more proactive instead of reactive space. So if you are ready for that, go ahead and click the link below. We have an app that has tons of courses on there. You can skim through them at any topic that you are interested about. Please check it out. Also, too, if there's a topic in there that we haven't developed yet and you're interested in, please comment on the video as well, and we'll make sure to include that in our next round of education. And always like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. Thank you.